This is my 10-foot long charging cord made by Reach Cables. If you notice that it's a threaded actual cord and it actually doesn't tangle, it charges quite fast. It's easy to just untangle. It doesn't tangle up at all. I really love that. And it charges, it's 10 feet long. And again, it's by the company Reach Cables. I've been using it now for about a month. Haven't had any troubles with it. No compatibility issues at all. It's a great cord. And again, Reach Cables. Good for your iPhone, iPad, any of your Apple products. Thanks for watching.